just down at the Paradise Bar, and there's a surf comp on, so I'm going to stay here for a while and see if I can grab some waves. You can see everyone here, some people with some big lenses. I'm going to get over there and just sort of find a spot and see what's going on. I think there's some people out there at the moment. I remember last year there being a surf comp. Now this is the Boardriders Club of Da Nang here. And this heat is just about finished, I think. I've had to come inside because it's too windy down there. Just showing you the scene at the moment. I might stop in and have a coffee actually. It's too early for a beer, it's only 8:30 in the morning. But if I can, I've got a good posse here if we get a set. I don't know if you heard before, he said they've got about 15 minutes of this heat to go. It's very rare for me to be up here in the morning. I'm normally up here in the afternoon for happy hour. But I've just ordered a nice salted coffee. Look at that. How nice is that? 55,000. It's not too bad. That's bloody beautiful. But I've just missed a big set. Bugger. The next heat are making their way out.
Heat 6 paddling out now. 5 more minutes to go in heat 5.
Just a quick update on the weather. No rain. It's perfectly mild, very small breeze on the beach, and some nice waves.
Nick up and riding in yellow. Nice little cut back there. Linking up nicely. Woo. Nearly sticks it.
So we're currently in round 2 at the moment. The quarters, the semis, the finals. So not too sure what time it finishes. Probably, I don't know, a couple of hours.
Well, Leanne's going to get a Boardriders Club, and we're going to have a club comp and a club event, and hopefully we know too soon. Come on, truck, get it in.
Makes me want to get aboard again and go back out. It really does.
3 minutes to go in heat 5. Looking a bit quiet out there.
Next round 2, heat 1.
Tom up and riding. What's he got? Nice little cut back there. Yellow. We got Mitch here up and riding. Finally get up to the inside. Go!
The Boardriders Club of Da Nang couldn't have picked a more perfect day. Very low wind, really glassy out there, some massive sets coming through, and the sun is actually poking out for the first time in a few days. Check them out, Boardriders Club of Da Nang, right out front of the Paradise Bar. This happens every year.